Video of my C230 compressor. Yesterday I buffed and I cut the wax and put wax back on and it came out pretty good. I did extra buffing up in here to get that clear, and you can actually see through it now. Finally, the headlights look a little better. This one has water at the bottom, but this is how the car really looks before it got buffed. Need some body work done. So I took the motor off, the front bumper off assembly, because I got to take this motor out, and I didn't want to be all day taking every little thing apart like some people. So I always knew the bolts that hold that assembly case together on a lot of cars, from me working in some shops, being a secondhand mechanic and a bodywork person, you learn how to take things apart or take the whole assembly off. So now I just got to unloosen the transaxle bolts to the motor and a couple motor mounts, and this thing will pop right out. Probably won't even have to take the hood off the way I'm gonna do it. A lot of people take the hood off to use engine hoist, cherry picker, whatever you want to call it. I don't need that. I took a couple motors out this size and didn't need it. But if I have to, I'll go get one from Harbor Freight. But that's the car. That's the interior. Like I said, it's hardly been used. This is good condition. These seats. That's the headlights. I polished those the other day, and that's how they came out. And I do have before and after pictures. I'm gonna try to put them in the video. And that's how they came out. You can't beat that. That's how they came out. I got this car less than $700. Guy ain't know what's wrong with it. So I know what's wrong with it. The roof works, but it jams. So I gotta figure that out. Watch a couple videos or get the book and see how to fix it. But other than that, that's it.